Emergency. Your tree is destroying your foundation. Right now, every day costs you more. Houston homeowners, stop what you're doing and listen to me. If you have trees within 50 feet of your house, they are damaging your foundation right now. Today, this minute, the tree behind me just cost this homeowner $42,000 in foundation repairs. $42,000 because they waited too long. The homeowner said, "I had no idea the tree was causing problems until it was too late." Here's the terrifying truth about Houston tree roots and foundations. Tree roots don't stop growing, ever. They grow 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, extending further and further under your foundation. In Houston's clay soil, large tree roots can extend 100 feet or more from the trunk. That means trees across the street can be damaging your foundation. And here's the worst part, you won't see the damage until it's already cost you thousands. Tree root foundation damage happens underground, invisibly, for years before you notice the first crack in your wall. By the time you see foundation problems, the root damage is so extensive that you need both foundation repair and tree removal. Double the cost, double the disruption, double the headache. I just got off the phone with a homeowner in Sugar Land. Beautiful 40-year-old oak tree in their front yard, classic Houston home. Last week, they noticed their front door wouldn't close properly. This week, they found cracks in their living room wall. The foundation engineers report severe root damage, $38,000 in repairs, plus tree removal. They asked me, could we have prevented this? The answer is yes. If they had called us 2 years ago, when the tree was just starting to affect the foundation, removal would have cost $3,000. Now they're paying $38,000 plus the tree removal. Every single day you wait, those roots grow deeper, extend further, and cause more damage. This is not a problem that gets better. This is not something you can ignore. Houston's clay soil and our climate create the perfect conditions for aggressive root growth. Wet seasons make roots expand rapidly. Dry seasons make them search aggressively for water under your foundation. If you have large trees near your house, you have a ticking time bomb. Call 877-454-7964 right now, today. We'll come out immediately and assess your foundation risk. If we find root damage starting, we can remove the tree before it costs you tens of thousands in foundation repairs. 877-454-7964. Every day you wait costs you more money.